candidate, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Chirag Daya. I'm from Sonipat, Haryana. I'm 17 years of old. Talking about my family background, we are 5 members in our family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. I have a younger brother and a grandmother also. Talking about my education qualifications, I have cleared my class 10th from PSM Senior Secondary School, Kharkhoda, Haryana, with 90% in CBSE board, and cleared my class 12th with same school with 86.8%. In my PCM aggregate, I got 87%. Talking about my hobbies, I love to jogging and running.
Hmm.
That's all about me.
What is the meaning of your name?
As my name is Chirag, so it's from Hindu tradition. Its name is lamp,
Lamp.
which means I will sunlight, I will give light to everyone's life.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you are from Haryana.
Yes, sir.
Why Haryana is famous for?
Haryana is famous for its food, sweets,
Hmm.
and the sports culture. Basically, the sports culture of Haryana is very famous, and Haryana is very famous for its agriculture,
Okay.
as Haryana is also known for food basket of India.
Hmm.
So 70% of grains is transported all over the India from Haryana.
Hmm. Tell me some famous dishes of Haryana.
Uh, Ghevar is one of the most famous sweet dish from Haryana,
Hmm.
and churma, which is also famous in Haryana.
Do you know the recipe of ghevar? How to make ghevar?
No, sir, I don't know, but I know how to eat it, but I don't
How
know.
to eat it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
For choosing any career or profession or job, anyone must look out for two major points, that is significance and safety. There is psychological safety in merchant navy, that we know that anyone not gonna kick out from the company until or unless we do something very wrong against the company's policy. And talking about the significance, as in merchant navy, from a decade to a captain, everyone has a fixed job roles. For their job roles, everyone get equally amount of significance according to their roles. This career give me an open will to live the life that I want to live. This career will give me significance and I will get regular promotions as we complete my C time and all the courses.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the disadvantages of Merchant Navy.
Talking about the major disadvantages in merchant navy, we have to spend a long time on board, about every 6 to 8 months stay away from our family. We have to get a less amount of social life, and we can sometimes get mentally disturbed, due to which.
If this field is having that much, disadvantages, then why you are going for this field? Go with the other field.
Sir, just like a coin, everything has its own disadvantages and advantages. So if we saw always heads on the coin, we also see advantages and tails see disadvantages. So just like a coin, that I also saw the advantages and disadvantages, and I am mentally as well as physically prepared for that. So I will give significance to its advantages, and
Okay.
for that I want to join merchant navy.
What are your hobbies?
I want to do jogging and running.
Hmm. Only that's it. Do you have any certifications in running or jogging?
Not certifications, but I have participated in the district marathon.
Hmm. Tell me the one outcome that you have learned from that district running level.
That from any that I could not able to get any position, that I will let me know that winning is not only just the main point of playing any game or doing something. We also learn a lot from the devotions and losing anything. So it will make me work hard and get promoted to future, and it will also let me to prepare mentally. That's it.
Okay, means you have learned from your past. That is good thing. Now tell me, why should I hire you?
So I'm responsible, hardworking,
Give me
and
one example of responsible and hardworking.
as I belong to Haryana, and Haryana is famous for is its agriculture, and my father is staying away from home in Sikkim, so all the works related to fields and agriculture is handled by me in the village. So I will say that I am hardworking.
Okay. So your father is businessman.
Yes, sir.
What kind of business is doing?
My father has a hardware warehouse in Sikkim.
Okay, in Sikkim.
Yes, sir.
So what is your annual income?
Uh, It's not a business, so there is not a fixed annual income.
Any approx idea, average?
Approx, it's about 12 to 15 LPA.
If the income is that much, then why you are joining this field? Go and rest, enjoy your life.
For any looking for any career,
Hmm.
we must follow our passion. I respect my father profession a lot
Hmm.
because he is earning for me and my family
Huh.
from this his career.
Huh.
So, but according to me, for the first point for look out for any career, we must follow our passion. And I am very passionate about merchant navy and want to follow my passion in my life and build up my career in that.
Who is your inspiration in your life?
My father is my inspiration in my life.
Tell me the 5 negative things about your father.
5 negative.
Hmm.
I don't think that I will tell you 5. I will tell at least maximum 2.
Okay, let me know about two or three.
My father is a short temper person
Hmm.
and he is a overthinker.
Overthinker and short tempered. Just suppose I'll give you 10 crore rupees. Where you are going to invest that money?
Uh, at this time, if you give me 10 crores, I will invest a few part of it to my father's business,
Hmm.
a portion of it to stock market and mutual funds and all
Do you
that.
have any idea regarding stock markets and mutual funds?
Not that much, but I have a
But
little
if,
bit.
huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. Tell me what you know about that stock market and mutual funds.
Just I know that the major companies in every profession can release out their stocks. Means stock means they will sell some part of their companies, some very less amount of part, which will invested by the people. And when the companies grows, the value of stock increases, and vice versa.
Just suppose if you want to purchase that stock, you need to research and analyze the proper company. You know that analysis, how to do that analysis.
I will saw the past. Firstly, the past that company is growing or devoting, and I will saw that what type of work is done by the company. So I will see the future growth. That work that done by the company or that business grown. So what will be the future outcome in next 5 to 10 years?
But by just analyzing the charts, you are not able to predict that future of that company. This is not, the clear and good method for that one. You need to analyze so many other things as well.
Other things such as the reports of the company, how
Stock market. There are so many types of trading in stock markets. They are giving you the stocks, but some companies are giving you the stock for short term, long term, intraday, and all that. There are so many types of trading. Then,
yes sir.
uh,
So as you talk about intraday or short term, the we have to just book our profit and then give up. This is for the short term. For short term, this is only enough that we can conclude the charts. But for
do you have any idea regarding charts?
chart,
Chart patterns.
chart is the form of representing any
Chart
data.
patterns in stock market.
As I already mentioned, sir, I don't know that much, but a little bit also.
Okay, that's all for your non-technical part. Now move on to your
Okay, now
technical
moving
part.
to your technical part. First, tell me what is Pascal law?
Pascal law states that for any non-compressible and non-viscous fluid, the pressure exerted at any point is transmitted to the fluid equally.
Okay, example of a Pascal law.
Hydraulic lift and hydraulic brake work on the principle of Pascal law.
Okay, then tell me the difference between the density and relative density.
Density is the ratio of mass and volume of any solution or fluid, while when the relative density is the normal density of the solution to the ratio of density of the solution at 4 degrees Celsius
Okay,
temperature.
tell me the anomalous behavior of a water.
The anomalous behavior of water states that at the temperature of 4 degree to 0 degree Celsius, the particles of vapor expands, but normally when we decrease the temperature of any fluid or liquid, it will expand, but there is an anomalous behavior from 4 degree to 0 degree.
Okay, during 4 to 0, does the water expand or contract?
When we move from 4 degree to 0 degree, it will cools, but it will contracts, but there is a contradiction, it will expands.
Okay, then tell me the Ampere's circuital law.
Ampere circuit law states that for any current carrying conductor, the magnetic field in the conductor is equal to the amount of current passed through it
Okay, tell me
To
the
the-
formula of a ampere circular law. Okay, what is electromagnetic induction?
Electromagnetic induction is the, sorry sir, I'm not able to recognize it
Okay,
right.
Charles law.
Charles law states that for any ideal gas, when the pressure is constant, the volume is directly proportional to the temperature.
Okay, tell me the example of a Charles law.
Example of Charles law.
Okay, tell me the value and the unit of capital G, gravitation constant.
Capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 10 raised to power 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square.
Okay, tell me the difference between the AC and the DC, alternating current and the direct current.
Alternating current is the current which can change its direction, and whereas the DC current flows only in one direction. The alternating current has his frequency which is fixed to 50 hertz, whereas the direct current has 0 hertz frequency.
Okay, what is rectifier?
Rectifier is a device which is used to convert AC current to DC current.
Okay, what is location of a Malacca state?
Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait connects Bay of Bengal to South China Sea.
Capital of Mexico.
Mexico.
Capital of Peru. Okay, tell me the capital of Qatar. 1 nautical mile is equal to how much kilometer?
1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometer.
1 feet is equal to how much centimeter?
1 feet is equal to 2.5 centimeter.
2.5.
Sorry sir, 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters, so that's into 200. Sorry sir, I'm not able to recognize it right.
Okay, integration of 10x.
That's 1 by 1 plus x square.
Integration of 10x is equal to.
1 upon 1 plus x square.
Okay, then tell me the differentiation of sin x.
Cos x.
Cos x. Acetic acid formula.
That's CH3COOH.
Okay, then tell me the methanol formula.
Methanol CH3OH.
Okay, that's all about your technical part. Thank you.